TVS SRICHAKRA was founded on the principles of trust, value, and service. The company has always followed a people-first philosophy. Our primary concern lies in the health and well-being of our employees. That's why we are taking every precaution to ensure that our facilities are safe and infection-free. This video will take you through the safety precautions taken by TVS SRICHAKRA in line with the government-mandated guidelines to ensure that our manufacturing plants remains an infection-free space. We maintain a safe distance while waiting at the pickup point. Upon entering the bus, the use of hand sanitizers is mandatory. We practice occupying alternate seats and exit the bus row-wise without crowding. All our employees are advised to wear masks at all times and also carry a spare. At the entry and exit points, lane markings are provided to ensure everyone maintains a safe distance from each other. We monitor temperatures using non-contact infrared thermometers and allow entry only after health and travel declaration forms are duly filled by each person. Hand sanitizers are provided to maintain hand hygiene, and to sign in, employees just need to scan their ID cards. No contact required. Once inside, everyone is still required to wear masks and observe safe distancing. We provide ample soap and water to enable frequent hand washing. And hand sanitizers are placed near common spaces that are frequently touched. We ensure all areas are disinfected at regular intervals. Even incoming deliveries are first sanitized before being allowed in. On the shop floor, we ensure all equipment is disinfected regularly. Where safe distancing is a challenge, our staff wear personal protection equipment. We have placed hand sanitizers at all common areas. Shift meetings are conducted by maintaining a safe distance from each other. Our staff follow a queuing system during tea breaks, and at some places, tea is served at workstations. All our equipment is sanitized at frequent intervals. We encourage the use of staircases to prevent unnecessary contact with surfaces. Our employees understand the potential of digital connectivity. We organize meetings, monitor orders, and connect with partners online to avoid unnecessary travel. We also carry our own personal water bottles to avoid contamination. We introduced staggered timings to avoid crowding at the canteen. Food is served by dedicated canteen staff equipped with PPE. Our food is hygienically pre-packed, containing healthy, immunity-boosting meals while avoiding items that aggravate cold and cough. Employees enjoy their meals while following alternate seating at the tables. And after each service is done, the canteen is thoroughly sanitized. Every vehicle parked at our facility is disinfected. Our employees observe these safety practices from the time they leave home in the morning till they get back after their shifts. We believe every little measure is vital when it comes to the safety of our employees and their families.